Google Play Store error no connection. If any day you are trying to launch Google Play Store on your mobile device but you are facing the problem of Google Play Store error, no connection, and you are quite frustrated, do not worry as we have got the perfect solution for this. For this, first of all, you have to go to the settings icon on your mobile device. You can directly search the settings icon on your mobile device, or you can go to the settings icon on the top like this, because this is a shortcut trick to let you go to the settings page there. After you see the settings page there, you have to go to the search icon on the settings and then tap apps out there. After you tap apps out there, you can see an interface like this. Now you have to go to the next option, that is the option of the application. You have to wait for a while until it launches, because sometimes it may be the problem of your very mobile device. After you see an interface like this, now you have to tap on the very option of the apps. After you tap on the very option of the apps, it will lead to the page where the various kind of list of the application on your mobile device will be shown. Now you have to scroll down until you find the option of the Google Play Store, and you have to tap on Google Play Store. After you tap on Google Play Store, it will lead you to the page like this, which is the page of app information. Now you have to tap on the option of notifications. After tapping on notification, you have to enable allow notification and enable allow sound and vibration. After that, you have to go back and go to the option of permissions, and tapping on permission, you have to allow the permission to contacts, location, nearby devices, notifications, phone and SMS. After that, you can go back and then go to the option of set as default. After tapping on set as default, you have to enable open the supported links and then go back again, and then go to the option of storage. After tapping on storage, if you see any of the cache out there, you have to go to the option of clear the cache and then go back again. Now this way you can just close the very option like this and your very problem is solved. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.